Wyatte, what are you doing out here?
Getting ready for his car show.
Another one?
Yep.
What do we got here?
We've got Turbo wearing a purple C10 to represent epilepsy, and then he's also got a purple ribbon on his hat to represent epilepsy, and then he's carrying the 10mm purple sockets that were given out for free. You just gotta ask for them. And then over here, we've got Sarah, who's got another purple ribbon. That's an old school pinstripe. And she's also got a purple ribbon with pistons on it. And then we have the mini Jesuses. We have 3 different types of them. We're also giving those out for free. And this is at Paul's Chapel Church in Lexington, North Carolina on Saturday, May 16th.